Last week, I took my ever first business class flight and I arrived here in Dubai. I've been enjoying this time here. I'm going to beach clubs, exploring Dubai. It's my second time I'm here, all while my relatively small YouTube channel keeps making me money. It actually made me more money already than I spent on this trip altogether. And that's why I think YouTube is truly a gift that keeps on giving. So the channel I'm talking about is this channel right here that you see. Pretty much I make simple tutorial videos, and I partner up with, software companies. And these tutorial videos are kind of like designed to solve a problem, a specific problem, like generate, AI videos, generate clips from short form, like generate short form clips from long form videos. And there are a bunch of AI softwares right now helping you to do all these things. And my channel kind of like helps connect people with these softwares, educates them on what they can do with these softwares. And it's a win-win-win cycle, right? My audience wins because they learn something new, because these videos are pure educational videos with the goal of educating first and, of course, selling the software as an affiliate. So I am incentivized kind of like to make the best video possible because I also want to make money as an affiliate and also grow my channel. So it's just a very nice cycle of, you know, getting paid from a company. So I get paid. Company gets new customers because I make a video for them. And my audience wins because they save time by leveraging these AI tools I kind of like make videos about. And another amazing win is that YouTube is a very long term channel. Unlike Instagram, TikTok, these videos get buried under the ground after a couple of weeks. I have videos on my channel on YouTube which were posted 6 to 12 months ago. They consistently keep getting views. And those videos, all of them have affiliate offer in the description, for example. And then I keep making commissions, right? I got paid for that video, a flat fee. So essentially how the model works is a company reaches out to me and offers me a flat fee, right? Some, money to make a video. I get an affiliate offer, like I can promote the company as an affiliate, and I earn 20 to 30% commissions for each of new customer that signs up. And you can see how this thing slowly starts to add up, right? Currently, I'm making just with one channel, by the way, just with one channel that is relatively small, I'm making between 10 to 20K a month, right? With this business model. And that's obviously good money. My plan is to be honest, is to scale this by either focusing more on this channel. So, the way you would scale this thing up is, at least this is what I'm thinking now, is either posting 2 videos per week. So instead of 1 video per week, I would be posting 2 videos per week. Currently, I'm posting only 1 video per week, or adding more channels into the portfolio. You know, even different channels, faceless channels maybe. But currently I'm really, really satisfied and happy where I am with this channel. I currently, right now as we speaking, I have videos scheduled for posting from the companies that already paid me for the next 2 months. So the companies that reach out to me right now, let's say, I can only offer them a publishing window 2 months after now, and they agree. They still agree and they still work because there's such a big demand for, like, not that there is a big demand, but there's so many of these AI companies that there's literally not enough people that make videos about them. There's too much demand, not enough supply. So if you look at this, AI companies pop out of nowhere every single day, and they need marketing, they need attention. If you have a skill to make videos for them, it's more important than the audience that you have at the moment. Not every single company understands this, but social media platforms started working in a way that the amount of audience you have is not that important. A channel with 100 subscribers could literally get more views than a channel with 1 million subscribers. It's all about the topic. It's all about the title and thumbnail, by the way. You could literally have 1 million subscribers and get 100 views on the video if the title and thumbnail just flops and it's not interesting. So where I'm going with this is that in the world where the Dubai noises, in the world where everybody wants to start the next AI startup, I think becoming someone who understands how to promote AI startups through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok is going to be the next big thing. Whenever something big is emerging, don't just go into that thing. Think a layer deeper. Currently, this channel makes me about 100K per year, which is honestly crazy to think because I started taking this seriously just 6 months ago or something like that, and it already turned into 6-figure per year business. It's pure cash flow, by the way. There's so little overhead. It's crazy to think about, especially with AI tools like Claude AI. I write scripts for these videos. I do research myself. The only thing I outsourced is editing. Not fully 100% yet, but this is my goal right now, to outsource the editing and screencasting fully, because this is very important for these videos. Like, screencasting is one of the things that goes into these videos. You know, recording the screen when doing the tutorial and doing this yourself could be really draining. But the thing is about this business model, again, it's not, you know, it's not building like a clothing brand or something like that. It's not something super exciting. You're just essentially making videos that are going to be valuable to the end user, solving some sort of problem. These videos most of the time not going to be based around going. These videos are not going to be optimized to go viral that much. Although some of them could, yeah, it definitely could. But most of the time, these videos is going to be capped around 5 to 10K views. But the thing is, those views, those 5 to 10K views, if they came from the people actually trying to solve that problem they're searching for. So, for example, how to find viral products for TikTok shop, right? Let's say this was the video they made. I have a video like that, by the way, and it got 800 views, I think. And it already generated, I don't know, 5 customers, maybe 4 customers for the software. So just think about it, right? 800 views, and that video ranks in search, by the way. So over the next 5 years, when somebody types in how to find viral TikTok shop products, my video is gonna show up, and it's gonna get a click, and it's gonna get a customer. Not from that one click, but it's gonna continue compounding and getting more and more customers for that. So it's a very nice evergreen asset for you, for your channel, for the company you sponsored with. If you look at people like Charlie Chang, for example, he has such a big channel, over 1 million subscribers at the moment, and on average he gets 5K views, let's say. But the thing is, his videos are educational, SEO based content, and he said himself in some of his interviews that, you know, these videos make him more money than the viral videos he didn't make. Imagine that. So he had videos with millions of views, and these videos with 5K views made him more money. So if you're someone who wants to start this business model yourself, I personally think going into AI niche is a very good idea. On getting started, essentially promoting, like creating content around anything that has to do with AI. Is the biggest industry. It's gonna be the biggest industry in the world. It's still pretty early, and it's getting bigger and bigger every day. There's more and more companies in it, so no gatekeeping from me in this video, and just here to tell you what I've been doing and sharing. Either way, majority of you watching this probably came from my email. Have a good day, and see you in the next one.